Hi, good morning, dear friends. It's morning time, and you can see around me there are many different kinds of vegetables, and near to across the net there is a tea garden, and people are walking. They are taking wood of tea garden. Okay, so it is a yellow color. That one is yellow color. You might be getting. I think. You will be able to see that one yellow types of flower. That one is mustard leaves flower. Okay, so mustard जिसका तेल बनाते हैं सरसों का तेल. Okay, mustard leaves. Okay, and it is I word because today weather is very cold. It's a winter season. So yesterday there was a sunny day, but today it is a very cold weather and foggy weather. You can see everywhere is fog, and that's why since morning we have not been doing practice, we have not been doing work. So that's why right now I got chance to make videos in our field. So today also we are doing work, and we will have to complete this one work and this one work like that with help of stone one, like what we can call all English language, I don't know, but with help of that things we are removing the leaves, removing the grass from that vegetable garden. Okay, so here I would like to tell you that if you don't have much time, don't have friends, so no need to worry. It's very easy to learn this language. If you feel that it is a very tough, so you can't learn it, but before telling you, before make you understand, so I would like to tell you that if you are here very first time, so kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon button, share with your friends, your colleague. Okay, right now it's wind has been blowing since morning. Yeah, right now it's a little bit past. Wind is flowing. Okay, yeah. So like that. If right now here also it's a causative. Which one I'm going to say? There is my sister-in-law. Suppose that now she was doing work. So right now it is standing. So standing taking rest. So if I try to make it conditional sentence, नहीं causative sentence, so how can I make it? So काम करवा रही हूँ. Okay, so मैं अपनी भाभी को काम करवा रही हूँ. Yeah, I am making my sister-in-law do work, like that. Okay, so you can also do like that. It is not very tough. अगर if you want to say in present indefinite, so I'm like he makes me do work. ये हो गया आपका he makes me do work. Like suppose that ऐसे हो गया. ये can it is a indefinite tense. If I give you example of continuous tense, so he is making me do work, he is making me work. Okay, I am making her work. Okay, so like that. And if I try to tell you about past tense, past indefinite tense. Okay, so he made me work, he made me do work, he made me do work, I made her do work. Okay, according to tense only make we will have to change it. Make, made, make, made, making, made. Okay, I think you got it. It is a causative. It is not very tough if you try to watch twice time, so you can learn it very short period of times. It doesn't take much time to grab related to this grammar, because when I was watching, so it didn't take much time to learn my god, these are causative for me. Okay, I didn't take much time. Okay, so it is related to conditional, no, causative I discussed. So you related to make. Okay, so today two things I have explained, so try to understand. And after tomorrow or day after tomorrow, whenever I get time, so that time also I will try to cover, I will try to discuss, I will try to make you understand related to past continuous, past indefinite. I told you today, and tomorrow onward I will start to discuss about past continuous tense, past continuous tense. Okay, so till now, bye bye.